Hey James, today we are going to learn our third function in PHP series. Okay, now start string. This is a string in PHP. All string is in uppercase. So now we want this string as convert this string to lowercase. So echo str to lower. So this is the magical function in PHP str to lower. Str to lower is a function that convert the string is lowercase. Okay, now if you want to check to a string, we are now we can check in browser. That's it. So first line is in uppercase and the second line is in lowercase. So friends, if you think this video is useful to you, like this video and share this video. Share this video with your friends and colleagues who wants to learn programming. Subscribe this channel and make sure hit the bell icon so you will get notification when I upload the video. And thank you very much for watching my video.